Hello there. For this video I will be installing Active Directory, DNS and DHCP server on server 2008. For this you need to change and add some things. With the server you need to add a network card, an internal network card, not net bridged in or anything other than that, internal. Give it a name. I set it on allow all, so the data will connect to all the devices. Your first adapter on mine adapter is unbridged, so it will connect directly to my network, and I can give it a static address. Okay. With Windows 7 you change from net to internal. You give it the same name as the one with server 2008. Also allow all. Now you start server. Windows 7 can wait. Password reset 123, just in my earlier video. Okay. It will now see the new network card. If it doesn't show up, it will show up if you go to Network and Sharing Center, Manage Network Connections. Oh, mine is disabled. If you enable it, it won't get an IP address because it doesn't. Yeah, it enables DHCP, but there is no server to give it an IP address. So disable IP version 6. Go to properties with version 4. Just I give it this address. Okay, close it. This is my DSP address from my own router because I linked it with a bridged network. I need to take this and make it static, otherwise it cannot be used as a server. Again, no IP version 6, we don't need it, so don't activate it. Oh, close. 2 network cards, intranet, and this is internet. Okay, close all the windows. Alright, go to start, type in DC promo, hit enter. It could take a while. For me it's just instant, but it could take a minute or two for loading. After the screen, click next again. No, we will create a new domain. I'm calling mine martijn989.local. Next. Okay, come on. Okay. I set it on Windows Server 2008. I won't be using a Server 2003 or 2000 and I will use Windows 7, so there won't be a need for older functional level. I will install DNS also. Click next. Yes. We want to continue. First server. The file places needs to be the same, so no edit. Okay. I just put in the same password as my administrator password. If you want, you can change it, but for easy memory, it's just easy to put in the same password. Check everything. If something's wrong, please edit it and click next. This will take a while. Good check reboot and completion. When this is done, after rebooting, you have your Active Directory and DNS installed, and it should work fine. Well, it says it here exactly the same way. It will take a few minutes to several hours depending on your environment and the options that you selected, so bear that in mind. Meanwhile, I will start Windows 7. So they will connect later on with each other. I still need to create a DHCP server on this server, but that will be after the Active Directory installation. So, okay. Right, it's really good. So, if everything is correct, it will now have Active Directory and DNS. Okay. Well, I'm recording and running these machines from one and the same hard drive, so it will take some time. But then again, it also depends on your system specs. Okay, log in. Now here you see your domain name without the .local, which is correct. Okay, it's the same password as what you entered before with the visit. Okay, internet works, that's good. Now we need to install DHCP. Roles. First change the display section, the resolution. Yes, okay. Okay, that's better. Roles, add role. Next, DHCP. Yes. And next, next. Yeah, that will be this one. This one will be forwarding the IP addresses for this one. So I don't need a static one for the Windows 7 machine. That's what you want. It is its own DNS server, so this is correct. No Win server. Yes, the scope. Okay, I will call it just a random name, but it's easy to remember. Computers. 192.168.2.20.25. There won't be 5 computers, but it is a nice number. 255.255.255.0. Get right now and activate. Okay, no, don't enable DHCP version 6. We'll be using my administrator. Yes, and check everything before clicking install. If everything is not, if everything is correct, then click install. Okay. So we can take a look if it is correct. This one should not have typing an IP config in your command prompt. Yes, this is a bad IP, so it won't have a connection with anything. After a couple of minutes we will try to renew first release and renew this connection. Check if that works. If that doesn't work, we need to take a look closer, but take it from there. Okay. It was successful. Great. Close. Check the server. Okay, I will check it from this panel. Like it is way better. The scope is active. You can see by the green arrow. Okay. Expand it. Address pool 2.20. There are no leases. Okay. Now we just go to our under machine and type in ipconfig /release and again button renew and see what we get. Right, okay. Let's look at that. Work network. Okay, close. Well, we don't have internet, but we do have an IP address. If we refresh this page, we see namepc.martijn989.local. We are now on this network, but not a member of the domain. If you want that, we can do that. Advanced system settings, computer name, change domain, type in martijn989.local, hit enter, type in your administrator, type in your server name, administrator name, and your password. This could take a minute or less. Should pop up with a welcome message. After that you can log in with a user account. Look. Okay, it will reboot. Restart now. Oh. Now we can create a user. Directory users and computers. Expand users. Select, click new user. Create a user. Win7. Username Win7. Enter. Password reset 123. Set 123. Cannot change. Never expires. Next. Finish. This will be a normal user, no admin. Okay. Switch user. Other user. Log into martijn989. You see that's the domain. Win7. Password reset 123. Enter. It will log in. through the server with the DHCP with domain Active Directory, the domain services. In a future video I will let you share your internet with Windows 7, how to do that. Come on, log in. Great. Win 7 on Windows 7 is logged in. This was the installation of Active Directory, DNS, DHCP. Hope you enjoyed, and until next time, bye.